Okay, ya cracker. Okay. Dutangiriye Amsterdam rero. Harabariyo. Agaprim no karacyagiye kuri kirurebe rero. Dutangira nyabagenda baricyo. Miterere niyo. Agaprim nako. Dore ngabo. Harabariyo bay. Yabara. Ye. Ngabo. Bariyo bara babantu usanga bamwe bitangwa ni bangeso bitwa bangeso mbi kumbe kuba ari bangeso mbi bantu murage mwirinda ibintu by'abadayimoni nk'ibi ninjoro yewe hari abakomando bari kuza yudura ingabo ni ahandi ni Amsterdam ni muri Europe ni mu Burayi kuba bari mu Burayi kumba abasirikare bari muri operation mu gihe abandi bari mu byaha tugende bamwe bari mu byaha buretse hari icyo numvise buretse gato ariko tonde numve we sasure cyaba umutwe bagenzi w'umukobwa ariko yeyi sore ngu nekira ja.
Stacy's down.
Stacy bigaragara ko agize ikibazo over Stacy. Stacy's down. Stacy has chini ya ulinzi Stacy. Sore dorukwamanuka. Yewe. No. Aracha harakatara. Bagize barya bara. West Alley bigaragara bagenzi ko turimo turahiga ari maraducika. Yewe dore bikeye. Chini ya mavi.
Tank behind your head.
Ndoko bya nyuma yaho mireba. Umusore nawe bagenzi ntagava kwizima. Ana abantu usanga batava kwizima we. Hajya. Yewe. Ho. Abantu usanga bata va kwizima. Yewe. Nikira. Yadariye. Sirano bararutana. Burya ryo umuntu usanga hari icyakurusha. Binikira. Usanga umuntu hari icyo akurusha we. Unazahambira umuntu mugabo bigeze burya hari ikintu burya umuntu abarusha undi kazi. Ugasanga umuntu hari icyo arusha undi.
CIA.
Ukora CIA?
None of the above.
FBI.
You have the package.
Ufite umuzigo yego.
Dispose of the target.
Icyo kintu rero mu cyici.
No.
Oya. Kujya ndagusabye.
I have information.
Mfite amakuru.
We have what we need.
Amakuru turayafite dukeneye. Oya.
What I know.
Ntago ariyo yose hari nandi nzi.
It's 1,000 times more valuable.
Hari menshi cyane nzi by'ukuri agaciro.
Please.
Ndagusabye.
Have mercy.
Ndagusabye gira impuhwe filime yiswe nk'iki extraction. The sound video library.
We're clear. It's
Just what? Your guys went soft, or is it the one guy?
Iki?
What's his name? Mercy Callow? Seriously.
Uriya musore witwa Masikaro.
He's the one
Agiye kuri mission yaramararu.
follow orders.
Aranga gukurikira amategeko.
John. I mean, Stacy is dead, and now we got this.
Umva ikintu cyabaye Stacy yapfuye no dore icyo dufite. Tugomba kwica yaracyari muzima.
It's not going well.
Ntago birimo biragenda neza.
valuable information.
Hari kujya mugafite amakuru dukeneye agaciro. Ari kuri ya musirikare yanze kubaha itegeko. Yasuzugura itegeko yahawe. Yani kosa rikomeye bagenzi ku musirikare kuba gusuzugura itegeko. Uri kirurebe rero agapime karacyageyo. Abuko bakaje hano kuri yanga afite icyo bita valuable information. Afite amakuru nkenerwa. Soraraho afite amakuru nkenerwa. Waje kumureba.
30 seconds or less. Tell me why I shouldn't kill him.
Amasegonda 30 yonyine umbwira impamvu yatumana kwica barakwereka se black site.
Right, and he is who we think he is. This is a game changer.
ujye mugabo by'ukuri byavuga ni ukuri kandi nuwo tukeka ko ari we mukiri muragenda uhinduka.
Not to try, not an option. Colonel?
Colonel.
Agree.
Ndabyemera.
Kyle, can your team be ready in 48 hours?
Kyle, chipe yashobora kuba yaba yiteguye iminota 40 mu masaha 48.
We'll lead this operation. Kyle, you'll be support.
Excuse me?
Colonel araza kuyobora iyo operation hanyuma oraza kuza kubafasha Black.
Not military.
Hagarika bari byo gisirikare.
Yeah,
Ko
life.
niko bimeze.
Not the same out there now.
This came from on high, Kyle. My hands are tied.
These are
Ibi
my...
bije bivuye ku bayobozi bakomeye ntagari gewe.
I know you did.
Colonel ni ugomba kuba yayobora no mission. Mwebwe muraza kumwongereza. No. Colonel uza kuza kuyobora mission. Abandi basigaye baraza kuba bamwongerezaho. Nabwiye ngo bije bivuye ku bayobozi bakomeye ntagari giye gusa kumenya ngo nifuza biracyahana. Bana we. Kibaye kise kandi.
Mercy.
Masi.
Yes, sir.
Gerayo no ja.
What happened out there?
Byagenze bite hakuri?
Just started talking, sir.
They're all gonna talk. You can't question orders.
Ntago ikindi ntuzongere gusuzuka itegeko.
You weren't everybody's first choice, Callow. You were mine. You got it?
We ntago uri abantu bose uri wanjye urumva Karo. Witwa Karo Masi, Karo Mbabazi.
In the morning.
Saa mu gitondo cya kare.
This assignment have something to do with the guy's information.
Ejo hari indi assignment.
You were right.
None se iyi assignment hari ikintu yabihuriyeho n'amakuru twabonye kuri amugabo barakwereka abagenzi ya Silk nanone ya base muri Take.
We receive information that a high-value target.
Amasaha 24 baje kuba yarangira twabonye amakuru agaragaza neza ibimanyamukuru dukeneye.
But the Chechens are denying.
Kiri muri Chechnya ariko abanyachechnya bari kubyanga.
Name is Rudolph Martin.
Uyu mugabo yitwa Rudolph Martin. Martin Rudolph. Ngafungiye muri Chechnya ariko Chechnya cya hakanako.
Agent Black.
Agent Black uriya nijya mutumiye muri kazi.
Natalie.
Natalia igira hino de Natalia Natalie. Grab the chair. Natalie ga Natalia. Natalie. Ngo yitwa Rudolph Martin. Rudolph Martin niba keneye.
So why are the Chechens denying they have him?
Kubera icyo abanyachechnya bari kwanga ko bamufite.
They want him for themselves.
Ni kubera ko bamukeneye kubwabo.
Why?
Kubera iki?
The second Chechen War. Martin,
Mu ntambara ageze kuba yaba mu ntambara y'isi ya kabiri.
the militant separatist leader, to conduct a
Ikimara kuba yarangira no mugabo Martin Rudolph.
targets inside
Abanyachechnya bagira ngo babashe kuba bagukoresha mu rwego rwo kugira barangize intambara.
on them. He humiliated them and stole their
Ikintu gihari nuko bamuha amafaranga ndetse bakamuha n'ibikoresho agomba kuba yakoresha arangije yanga kuba yabikoresha.
Martin for the tide turning.
Barangije bamufata Martin ku giti cyabo nyine nk'umuntu wabo. Bamufunze nk'imbohe yabakoreye amakosa ku bwabo.
It's to infiltrate the prison. Extract Martin alive.
Ikintu tugiye kuba twakora turajya muri iyo gereza dukure Martin ari muzima.
Any questions?
Hari ikibazo mufite basirikare.
All right, you're dismissed.
Byiza muri rukanwe mwese. All right, you're dismissed.
Let me just have a word with her.
You know how
Kangire n'ijambo na kiriya kigore.
maybe for some CIA?
Well, I'm something like that.
Ukora CIA oya. Hari ibintu nkorera.
What's
Nathan.
It's a global intelligence company.
Iyo nani Global Intelligence Company ikora ku bw'ubucuruzi ni ya CIA.
she doing here?
Yitwa OPAS.
I have no...
Gikobwa kirakora cyanose. Ari ndo ufite igitekerezo cyo kiri gukora hano. Ari ndo gifite kirega Colonel wagitumiye dore ngabo yitwa Natalie. Cyo gikobwa gafilime karacyagiye kuri kino rebero.
Staring at me, they haven't a clue as to why I'm here.
Abasore baye benshi barimo baragenda bibaza who on the way ndetse n'ikingenza hano. Ngo bari kwibaza byinshi cyane ko hari we ndetse n'ikimugenza hari agafilime karacyagiye.
You know Rudolph Martin.
No one knows Rudolph.
Ndabizi kuzi Rudolph Martin nta n'umuzi Rudolph Martin.
Israel, Spain, and the United Nations.
Abanya-Israel, Abanya-Spanya, Amerika, Ubufaransa ndetse n'Ubudage n'Uburusiya. Bagushyize ku kirego ko bazi neza ko Rudolph Martin.
How did you know about
Ibyo
that?
byose abimenye uteze kandi Colonel.
Medals aren't just for show.
Wa mwana ino midari ntago ari imyireko gusa iyi midari ni y'akazi.
I studied Martin.
These medals they're not just for show.
We know him.
Nize Martin igihe kirekire.
Every sentence regarding Martin should come with a disclaimer.
Buri makuru yose by'ukuri agera kuri Martin ntago abasha kuba yarangira neza amahoro.
It's going to do to Martin.
It's been a long time since my own country sought my counsel.
Ni igihe kirekire cyane kuva igihugu cyanjye cyabasha kuba cyahagarika ibyo nakoraga.
Is it?
None
With me it is.
kuri gihe wa mwana hari icyo bisobanuza zana gatebe twicare tuganire.
Well,
Yego
I think The Chechens are going to give him a trial.
ndakeka abanyaceceniya bagiye kuba bamuburanya
Probably within the
ariko
summer.
byange bikunde nibiramuka byanze n'igihe bashobora kuba bamwica mu ruhame
Able to kill.
Which is why
ni w'agaciro hari igihe batamwica ariko banamutse banashatse kumwica bamutwika.
and the finest soldier I ever served beside.
Wa mwana we nundebe gutya nicaye burya nari nziranye na so niye musirikare wakataraboneka nabashije kuba nakorana iruhande rwanjye.
You not only know the enemy, you have my faith.
ntago ari ikibazo gusa mwana kubuza umwanzi gusa ahubwo ufite n'icyizere cyanjye kubera ko nkwizeye.
We get that son of a bitch back here.
ndagira ngo uriya mwana we ntuzagaruke bagende bamuzanira Rudolph Martin agaruka.
You'll break him.
urumva neza kandi amakuru ndayazi.
The team make sure.
n'abano bantu mugiye kuba mwakorana ndagira ngo banze umenye baribo.
What is this?
ibi ni iki?
It's good to know who you're talking to.
ni byiza kugira ngo uzajye umenya buganiriza. It's good to know who you're talking to. umukobwa yagiye bagenzi kwiga amadosiye yabo bose abamenye.
To the top of the FBI's and Interpol's most wanted list.
ujye mugabo Martin turimo turahiga arimo arahigwa na FBI arimo arahigwa na Police International nivuga mpuzamahanga.
Residency in no particular country.
ujye mugabo ntago ari guhigwa n'ibihugu gusa ndetse n'abayobozi bakomakomeye ibihugu bari kumuhiga Martin Rudolph.
Intel on possible targets. He is not the face of terrorism. He is the brains.
ujye ntago ari kuvuga abagenzi ngo niwe kihereye ahubwo ni bwonko bw'ibyihebe.
This
Rudolph Martin.
maximum security facility is nicknamed Inferno. The prison
muri
is
Chechnya hano dukeka ko n'umugabo afungiye hari prison ihari ariyo bita Inferno.
any signs, no
ni gereza udashobora kuba wamenya neza ko ari gereza kubera ko abantu benshi bafunzwemo bafungiye munsi y'ubutaka.
Street is a boiler room. This gives you access to the northern stairway.
ibi biraza kuba byabaha umwanya wo kubasha kuba mwakwinjira muri gereza neza muri Chechnya.
First floor administrative offices, lockers and so on.
ikintu cya mbere hano by'ukuri hagiye hafunzemo harimo za locked.
There are approximately 60 to 70 prisoners in this.
ushobora kuba wasanga harimo etaje zijya kugira hafi kuri 7 ku 8 munsi zose ari ububohero.
Is likely here.
Martin arimo hano
Confirm this.
ariko taramenya ngo ntiyaherereye. no yarimo aragenda yiga abantu uko abiga bagenzi mission ziratangwa. agafilime karacyajyayo kurikira wirebere rero.
This is the only known photograph.
iyi niyo foto nyine izwi y'umugabo Rudolph Martin
5 years ago.
yafatiwe muri Afurika y'epfo imyaka 5 irangiye ariko ntago dufite icyizere neza ko wasanga ariyo.
Paranoid. He puts out
abantu benshi ntago bazi neza ko ari we hari n'igihe wasanga ngo turi kureba atari we.
doubles.
akunda kuba yagira abantu bameze kimwe nawe cyangwa bakunda kumwiyitirira ariko turakeka hari ifoto ari ye.
Approximately 40 live in fear of their warden, Ivan Rudowski. Born and raised in London.
abantu batuye hano by'ukuri baba muri gereza Wooden waho bamwita Ivan Rudowski. Rudowski akaba ari umwongereza kabuhariwe ariko wabashe yaravutse yavukira muri Russia akurira muri England arangije aza kuba yasubira muri yajya gutura muri Chechnya. ni Wooden waho Rudowski.
Listen, gentlemen,
you're
gonna come out heavy. I expect it's gonna take a lot of noise to break Martin.
ndakeka biraza kuba byatwara umwanya ndetse n'umenye bwinshi kugira muzakure Martin aramuzane baramukiniye United Nation Defense rivuga abagenzi leta z'ubumwe zishinzwe kwirinda guhashya umwanzi babyita guhashya umwanzi zirimo ziramushaka.
They're gonna do everything in their power to stop me.
ariyo bita UND.
Its most famous guest. It's just you, gentlemen.
bari abanyaceceniya bazakora ibishoboka byose kugira ngo bahagarike mutazigera mutwara umushyitsi wabo w'imena. murajye mwumva
A failure of this mission.
kunanirwa kuri ino mission mugiyeho basirikare muramunanije n'igihugu ndetse n'iyo operation. agafilime garashyajye kunanirwa ino mission bananije igihugu ndetse na operation. sore bukimara gucyagiye kwitoza abagenzi kuba muzi cyane yagukina udufilime twinshi yagukina agafilime yitwa Tiken.
Pretty impressive.
biratangaje cyane Tiken 1 even Tiken 2.
Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you.
ntago nashaka kuba nakubangamira.
You know, I don't think I've ever met anyone with the name.
ndakeka sinigeze mpurare wese ufite izina ryitwa Mbabazi.
Grew up with as a kid, but I survived.
nararekuranye kuva nkiri umwana ariko nabayeho.
Your parents must have been interesting people.
ababyeyi bawe wasanga bari abantu beza.
I didn't know them very well.
ntago nigeze mbamenya neza.
Read about how they died.
nako ndibagiwe nayo nasomye uburyo bapfuye ariko
It was a long time ago.
cyari igihe kirekire cyahise.
It's a remarkable coincidence, isn't
izo
it?
zari impanuka siko byagenze.
Well, the Russian that you apprehended.
cyangwa ni abarusiya babikoze.
Defense funds.
yeah?
But I'm sure you knew that before the mission even started.
hari byinshi wari ukeneye kuba wamenya mbere y'uko mission itangira.
Info from him.
I'm not allowed to discuss details of my
ntago
mission.
ari byinshi ko tuganira byinshi cyane mbere byerekeranye na mission yanjye.
How exactly did it go down?
ubundi byagenze bitagera ngabo.
Up right away, or did you have to lean on him a little bit?
Conversation's over.
Ibiganiro byarangiye. Conversation's over. Ibiganiro byarangiye. Abantu usanga bararakaye ijambo.
She's a civilian with no
kiriya gikobwa ni igisivili kitagiye kugenda kibaza abasirikare banjye.
decorated sergeant
who you just cited in your report after he failed to follow orders.
Kutigeze ubitanga muri raporo igihe biriya bisirikare byananiwe kuba byakurikira amategeko.
Killed along with 300 other people when
Ikibazo gihari ni ko mu by'ukuri uyu mugabo Rudolph Martin tugiye kuba twagiye guhiga ni umuntu ushobora kuba yarisha ababyeyi buriya mwana Masi yitwa Masi.
National Defense Fund, the same group that your Russian
iyo groupe ikaba ari groupe y'abarasha ndetse n'abandi bantu ishobora kuba yarishe abantu uyu mwana akiri mutoya. Sergeant Carlo tukaba tukeka urakeka ko atagenda.
Carlo may be hunting
naho nkeka ariko wasanga ari guhiga azajya guhiga Rudolph Martin ku giti cye
gentlemen
kugira ngo abashe kuba yahora.
alive.
And you're suggesting that Sergeant Callow...
none nagira ngo Sergeant Carlo ntagende.
But he did. Look,
murebe
only imagine how one would feel when coming face to face with the man.
ibaze biramutse bibaye ari nkawe ugahura n'umuntu wakwiciye umuryango ugahura amaso ku yandi wabyifata ari nkanjye namukire mbona nka namurasa.
Might make my decision more clear.
ko niko byagenda.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, Agent Black, get your team ready.
Agent Black, geranya ikipe yawe tugende. Agent Black, get your team ready.
I gave you those files to familiarize yourself.
When naguhaye izo nyandiko ngo umenye abantu bose pana kugenda vanga.
His present and resolve is within his reach.
Nagombaga kuba nagira byinshi mumenyaho nta mpamvu yo kugira ngo mpishe ukuri. Hari igihe ashobora kuba yagira byinshi yangiza muri ikipe agiye kujyana nayo. Yewe.
Is that confirmed?
Ya ngo iki? Byemejwe?
All right, get the man.
Byiza. Byemejwe. Zana basore.
Change your plans. We receive in
gahunda zirahindutse.
Division departed.
Tubonye amakuru ari kuvuga neza ko
about 90 minutes ago.
Hari mu minota ijya kugera kuri 9 irangiye igihugu cyacu kinyegiye kuba cyakoreza ingabo kura bajye kwimura abagenzi ragereza. Abantu bose imbohe zo zifungiyemo hari. Bikaba byiza kubera ko turamutse tuhahuriye hari igihe byaba intambara hagati y'abasirikare b'igihugu ndetse natwe twaba twahinjiye.
Obviously this moves up our timetable.
Byaba byiza turamutse tubihaye iminota.
5 in approximately 2 hours. Our entire operation can last no more.
Kugira ngo ziranga abaz'igihugu cyaceneye zayo kugera hari ahantu kuri Infano prison biraza gutwara nk'amasaha nk'abiri. Byasabaga noneho ko abasore bacu tukabageraho hakiri kare.
What are we waiting for?
Dutegereje ikibasore mugende. No bagende bamuka hakiri kare. Ejo bujya gucya bazahagera mu masaha saba maze kuyobora abagenzi barimo baraza bazakuhagera. Abagomba kugerayo mbere. Mu gihe bari bateguye kugira bazajye gutera ntago ari igihe bagendeye bagiye kiri imbere yaho gatoya. Kuri kirulembelelo. Yewe. Finikira. No. Barakwereka Infano prison Chechnya. Bari muri Chechnya. Tekano bararinda icyo bataramenya ko batewe binjiriwe. Agafilime gana cyajyayo. Yewe. Kuri kirulebe we. Gabo. Filime karacyajyayo. Binikira. Binichiwe. Hajya. No.
They're through the fence.
Bamaze kwinjiramo barenze za senyenge barimo. Barimo dore ngabo dore kubinjira barimo. Yari charge kubandika ibirane cyari gukora agent Karo.
For when the guys go underground.
Karandika nika kamera.
Video relays.
Nika kamera gakurura kugira ngo nibaramuka bagiye munsi y'ubutaka tubarirwa twakomeza kubona amashusho yabo neza. Hatabayo gukererwa kwa amajoko turimo turafata amashavuye kuri satellite live. Ngabo. Hari ikindi cyaje ndarinda. Hari kirinda cyane ngo ndarinda. Muri 12 hejuru yanyu hari uriyo 12 o'clock. Hejuru yabo 12 ngiri hejuru y'ibintu byose. No. hari icyo mubonye kumbe cyari kibabonye sore yarakizanye kubabona gusa n'icyaha kuri bo byiza ntubabone rero kubera ko kubabona n'icyaha don't see them kubabona n'icyaha we agafilime karacyajyayo yende sound video library Matliya Cinema kurikira wirebere tayari barimo they are in barimo tayari barimo cyo jajai ho ngo tayari barimo bagezemo kare agafilime karacyajyayo higereza ngo uri munsi hejuru rero ibikorwa wagira ngo ni inganda kandi munsi bafungiramo abantu igereza binjira we barinjira hano hose inzugi barafungura bafite icyo bita master key just get in bari kwinjira how they getting in they getting inside they drink up they getting inside how they getting they getting inside kumbu kubinjiye ahari kugenda sigaho utuntu kugira inzugi zitonyera zikifunga cyane bino byugerega bino automatic mama hari gihe byakwama biramutse byanze byagenda bite arikongera agasiga adafunze barikongera agasiga adafunze we agafilime karacyajyeyo kuri kirurebelelo filime cyajyeyo yageze cya byaranze arongera aragerageza biranga nicyo kibazo kivutse kirongera kiranga nicyo kibazo kivutse we bigaragara ko imfunguzo zitarimo zirakora tugiye kuba twaturitse urugi they're gonna blow the door bagiye guturitsa urugi kumbe yagize atya hageze atya agent Karo rebye ariko imbere ye Karo uri he ni hejuru hari ikibazo n'ibyo bijya mbere aho hejuru Karo subira muri position yawe vuba kandi kumbe Karo hari icyo arabonye Captain
Repeat that.
Karo subiramo
Stand by.
subira inyuma
What did Callum just say?
karavuze ngo iki
Copy, Callum. Repeat.
kumbe bagenzi kararimo aravuga hakuno hari ibindi byari biriyo dore ngabo gafilime karacyajye hari ikindi kiri kubareba we stand by shot dore ngabo
Southwest stairwell.
bigaragara ko bari muri southwest still well okay
Perfect.
byiza perfecto ngo byiza ntarongera ricareca bugufi mu kanya yabarebaga
So what are you looking for?
mutegereje iki murangize mission yes finish the mission
Go!
mugende kumbe ariyo kama projecteri hari amatara kandi bari bambaye za night vision
Whoa. What you
ibyo ni kibaye we ibyo ni kibaye dore ngabo basore baguambush
Sergeant, who's shooting?
Sergeant nindiri kurasa cha murebe neza
Vision?
Take some infrared.
Yes, sir.
we murebe neza kuri za infrarouge turebe dore ngabo bafate barebere kuri infrarouge take some infrared kuvuga ngo za kamera zari ziri kuri night vision ku manywa ntago zakora bashizemo bagenzi imfura rouge barebe dore amasasu byari ari kumanuka kuri imfura rouge.
Revolver actual, this is revolver main. Do you hear me?
Revolver actual, in revolver main. Over muranyumva?
Do you read?
Muranyumva, do you read? Abari maravugisha abagenzi bose bari kuva kuri line. Bari kuvugisha bari kuva kuri line kumbe. Masikaro. Cyo ni cyandera? Fande wa hariyo yitwa Rudoski. Rudoski. Oh, Masikaro. Yitwa Masikaro. Shit. Ni gice cy'umwanda cyabonye ko bari kure. Turimo muhaza. Muzana ari umupfu. Muzana ari umupfu. Sergeant Masikaro.
We need an image. Let's go.
Something's wrong.
Dukeneye amashusho shamuzane. They need an image. Dukeneye amashusho. Masikaro. Yewe, ari. Gari. Kumbe Masikaro. Yihishe hejuru dore hagiye kwitsimba mama. Kujya kwitsimbayo. N'imyambaro nayo yitaye. Yavuye amayisize yanyuze za bugufi cyane. Twa Masikaro.
Got it.
Babonye amashusho bwa nyuma kwitegereza amashusho. Bosore babo barangiye. They end up dead. Kuyeraje afata kandi kazanaga amashusho yari underground. Ahita gakuraho. Kumara ukura ari amashusho yose ubikoze ni wa musore Masikaro. Uyu mukobwa akomeje kuba yamugira y'amakenga menshi cyane avuga ati yaramukagiye ikibazo kikavuka. Yaramukagiye ikibazo kikavuka. Mbageze hano gutya bwa kamera buriyo. Hakurya muri Chechnya bari kumuhiga. Sore benshi bigaragara bagenzi ko bitabye Imana. Bari bagiye muri one mission. Ariko one of them is survived. Nuvuga umwe muri bo yabashe kuba yarokoka.
Colonel? They're calling in now.
Colonel.
Okay.
Excuse me, Sergeant.
Sergeant.
Yes, ma'am.
Would it be possible for me to look at the video?
Wareka ngareba ka video.
We can't tie those monitors up.
It's important.
Ni byingira kamaro. It's important.
Warden Rudowski.
Warden Rudowski. Yitwaga Rudowski.
Interested in the five that are dead. I'm only interested in the one that's still alive.
Jana nubwo nshaka kumenya ko ari n'umukiri muzima kwanza.
Literally dozens. There's barely enough room to breathe in here, let alone move. He's most likely...
Hari twumbe duke cyane naribuze kuba yaducikira.
Look.
Dore nguye hano yanyuze. Hari warokotse dore nguye hano yanyuze namubonye. Ka kamera kamwe kari kamufashe. Yaturutsemo hano inyuma. Wayibonye? Wooden. Niwe nyiri gereza yitwa Rudowski.
So much for most likely, Alexei.
Hari byinshi cyane Alexei.
Switch all these monitors to level 2 feed.
Zino monitor zose.
Secure your stations.
Nyasa nagira muhiga murabyumva neza kandi attention.
I want this rat found now.
Kachaka cyo kinga ndashaka umurambo wacyo dore nga umusore aracyagira ngo ndashaka umurambo. Baraje cyo kinga barashaka umurambo wacyo gafilme garacyagiye. Kumbe kamera nawe arimo aragenda zimanura. No.
Revolver main, this is revolver actual. Do you read me?
Revolver main ni revolver action. Muranyumva?
Revolver main, this is revolver actual. Do you read me?
Revolver main ni revolver action. Muranyumva?
Then here on these backup servers. It should only take me a second to sync up.
Let's akanya gato. Kobwa aricyo icyo ni iki numvise.
That's transmitting the team's frequency.
Ako ni ka transmitter twakoreshaga twakoranaga n'iri team iri hakurya mu Chechnya. Numvise ariko aricyo numvise.
Sorry, man, I didn't hear anything.
Stop.
Bamugoreje nacyo numvise ariko.
You roll this back a few seconds.
Wasubiza amajwi nyuma?
Recording.
Ntago turi kuri recording.
Revolver actual, do you read me?
Revolver muranyumva ra? Arimo arahamagara muri bene wabo ntago bari kumwumva. Kandi wenyine usigaye. Birahera hehirira. Yo gukina agafilm bageze nka Tekken 1 even Tekken 2. yaje ajya kugira ibyo ahiga bigaragara ko hari ikibazo runaka yari afite. Arimo arahiga bagenzi bimeze nka byavura, ari gusanga nawe yakomeretse ariko ntago nabonye uko yakomeretse, ariko yenda wasanga ibisa muhawe. Ntureba se sha, ntureba ngira ko yakomeretse. Sasu ryamunyuze ku rutugu neza kandi riratwika. Subira kuri position. Nitegure we. Kobwa yumvise amasasu. Gera gukurikirana amashongo banze kuba yareba. Bari muri ibi. Komeje gukurikira ishusho bagenza, kurikira ishusho. Kurikira ishusho ryo. Uwo yabonye hakurya caho. Hari uwo yabonye hakurya caho.
Told we can have a team there and ready to go in less than 4 hours.
Nakubwiye ko dushira kwa twagira ikipe yagiye bitarenze amasaha ane. Yakubaha twabigerageje.
Confirmed the Chechens have mobilized an armored division from the north toward.
Kwaje kuba twasanga abanyacecenia bafite abandi basirikare bagiye kuturuka amajyaruguru bajya kuri agereza. Usanga habe ikibazo gikomeye cyane cyuko abasirikare bacu bagiye kurwana n'abasirikare b'igihugu cya Chechenia bagiye guhura kuri gereza imwe nyako wa president.
Thank you, Colonel.
Urakoze Colonel.
They're not all dead.
Ntago bose bapfuye. They're not all dead. Ntago bose bapfuye, ndetse mu mukobwa yaje kuvuga bigaragara ko yaramaze kumenya neza ko hari impamvu. Yes, some reason.
I'm gonna take my hand away. You make a noise, we'll move.
Niba cyangwa ibiganza byanjye ukavuza urusaku ndakumera nabi.
I do not wish to die.
Ntago nifuza gupfa. I don't wish to die.
Good to know.
Byo ni byiza niba utifuza gupfa guceceke.
Do not kill me and I will take you to his cell.
Ntunyice ndaza kuba nakujyana ahari. Rudolph Martin. Ndabizi ko ari uje guhiga, ntago ari wa mbere, benshi baje kumuhiga hano barananirwa. Rudolph Martin.
Yes.
Kiriyo kimenyetso.
Moments ago, someone tried contacting us on the Team Secure channel.
Mukanya gato kabashije kuba karangira wagereje kuba yaduhamagara.
Well, it was just static, but I know that something was there.
Ariko je nabaje kuba nakumva neza ko hari ikintu gihari.
Live, we're gonna go get him.
Hold on.
Buretse gato.
Nobody's gonna get anyone, okay?
Nta n'umujyayo.
Even if this could be authenticated, there's still not enough evidence to warrant.
Ibi ntago ari ibimenyetso bigaragaza ko umuntu ari muzima. Nyereka ikimenyetso kigaragaza ko umuntu ari muzima. Ibisu nibi kikaba mwana ubunyereka nawe. Yeah? Agent Black.
What are you doing?
You heard the man? He needs evidence.
Urimo urakora icyumvise umugabo ngo akeneye ibimenyetso. You heard a man, he need evidence. You heard a man, you need evidence. Wumvise umugabo akeneye ibimenyetso.
Terrorist. You people must miss the Cold War.
Why'd you say that?
Uriya mugabo ni ikiyebe niko mumwita. Weca bugufisha.
You don't trust me?
Ntago nyizeye. Oya.
That's why you're lucky you ran into me when you did, my friend.
Niyo mpamvu uri umunyamerika kubera ko waje unsatira nshuti yanjye.
How you say? Not normal way, but back way. The back.
I understand.
Harya muvuga gute mu buryo bworoheje ariko?
Then you take me with you to America?
Uzanjyana muri Amerika. Iki?
The deal.
Iyi niyo deal.
I do for you, you for me.
Gira icyo ngukora nawe gira icyo nkorera.
No.
Aho turaba duhuje. Oya.
Then you can find him yourself.
Noneho jya kumwihigira.
It'll be easy.
Ntabwo biri bukorohere.
Tire, prison.
Bari kuguhiga gereza yose mu kanya gatiraza kubirimira guhiga.
You absolutely know where he is.
Uzahari.
Listen every day.
What medicine?
Je buri munsi ngiye ahantu ari.
Needles and insulin for blood sugar. You know.
He's diabetic?
Yes.
Afite n'ikibazo cy'uko bamutera inshinge zigabanya sukari, arwaye diabete. Yego nyine.
Being straight.
Wegabanya amagambo.
If you take me anywhere besides Martin's cell.
I understand.
Uranjyana ahantu aherereye cyangwa?
So we have a deal.
Kerekane twemeranya kuzanjyana muri Amerika.
Let's go.
Katugende rero. Ude narimo arareba kuri za kamera zose z'impande ndetse n'impande, ariko hari ikibazo cy'abakiriho. hageze arya iyi ntayiriho.
Yes, sir.
Get in there.
Basore,
What the fuck is that?
kirani ikindi kure.
I will. Between 2 and 3. I will have it fixed immediately.
Bigaragara ko wasanga ari kamera muri 2-3 ndaza kwikora vuba vuba. Oya. Yihorere.
He's okay here. No video.
Ani sawa na videos hari ntaki.
Just here. At the end, on the right.
Anga kurangira ryitangira dore ngaho the end of the right kurangira ry'iburyo. Niho tugiye kuba twajya hano mbere. Hagiye kumwereka abagenzi ngo twari Rudolph Martin.
Thought Solitary was in the basement.
I don't know what you know. I only know he's here.
Giconze nzi ko ari hano. Kandi bambwiye shaka ashobora kuba ari inyuma y'ibirindiro bya y'umukuru. Rudoviski. Geraje arafungura kumbe kumara gufungura atya. Ujye kuganira cyacungana n'ibimenyetso. Kubwa arimo arakurikirana amavideo. Areba uko byagenze abasore uko byabagendekeye. Kurikira video zose biranga.
The key?
Urufunguzo.
Never mind.
Nugire ikibazo.
Of course. It's better than Black Amex.
Urufunguzo ni sawa. Kira cyamujyana kirabwiye ngo nafata urufunguzo. Adacereka imbunda. Ubwo kiri kumureba abagenzi yinjira nacyo cyarangije kirinjiro. Filime karacyageye. Kugera no gutya arimo bya kanyama. Jeje. Harimo bya kanyama we. Harimo bya kanyama. No, dore ko arebana nabyo dore ko muri dore ko bireba. Uyu ne bazanye bagenzi gara mugenyi hari Rudolph Martin. Kuye intwara ari cyabirahagarara. Kumenya mari kindi cyavuye. Yewe. Kurikira wirebere rero. Kurikira urebewe, yewe. Enekira. Iyo ni kigabo. Umunyamerika ari hano. Umunyamerika ari hano. Ibyo ni ikintu cyane kibivuzera. Who say that? Yewe. Umunyamerika araturitse yararakaye. Mubanguke kamuhari.
Change of plans.
Gahunda zirahindutse umunyamerika ni hano. Yewe. Umunyamerika. Umunyamerika arakomeye. Ibigura aravunagura. N'imitwe arahondagura. Umunyamerika. Ponsi. Kirarya. Kigabo cyagwiriye ikindi. Kumbe hakurya hari ikindi giri. Gira hino nkwereke. Gira hino. Byabadora imigeri. Hajya. Nyamerika ari hari abantu batagira imikino. Burya hari abantu batagira imikino kumbe kiriya cyaciyo kiriruka. Bakugera hano basanze ibintu byacitse birakomeye. Rero cyakandagira ndakurasa ndica umuntu. We munyine hano cyane umvise amasasu dore ngabo this way. Ajya. Garica umuntu. Dore umuntu. Ndinkoze ndabibonye sha. Ese amwica nta cyizere ntaki. Funguzo rwara rufite. Kandi nawe wararukeneye. Agafilme nawe karacyageye. Kurikira wirebere rero. Alex, mvugisha sha. Alex.
I'll give you my card if you answer.
Fandi yakomeje kugenda yitegereza nyakubahwa.
Have a word?
Colonel twagira ijambo.
You said you wanted evidence.
Wavuze ngo ukeneye ibimenyetso.
Here, this is moments before the attack.
Uyu ni mwanya mbere yuko baterwa.
Here, the key card that got us inside the prison and through the first three.
Dore urufunguzo rwacu rwatujyanaga muri gereza rwafunguye impande ziye kugera kuri 3 ama etage 3 munsi. Nyuma y'urwa kane rwari rwanze hano baje kurasirwa.
And the guards enter blasting. They knew we were coming.
Bari bazi ko turi buze.
And they knew which route we were going to take. They waited for.
Bari bazi n'inzira turi buze kwa twanyina mu kugeza igihe byaje kwa byagera baza kugira badutegerereza.
Colonel, there's an informer.
Colonel hari umuntu utanga amakuru. Yanabyumva ja.
Did I ask you to do this?
Nigeze nkusaba kubikora?
No, you said you wanted.
Have you shown it to anyone?
Oya, hari ubigeze ubyereka.
Have you told anyone?
Hari ubigeze ubibwira?
Told me.
Ibyo mbwiye.
No.
Oya.
Don't.
Ntuzagira undi ubibwira rero. Ntuzagira undi ubibwira. Niba ntawe ugeze ubibwira ntuzagira undi ubibwira. Niba nano wabyeretse ntuzagira undi ubyereka.
Your father was a great hero here in Chechnya, Alexei.
Alexei so yari intwari y'agataraboneka muri Chechnya.
Disappointment to him.
Ariko birambabaje cyane kuba muri guyiga umusivile mukamubura kandi nzi ko muri abasirikare ukagira ngo we ntago ari umusirikare.
He's not going to the perimeter.
Ujye mugabo ntago ari burenge hano. Ntago ari burenge hano. Sasha.
Take 2 of your best men to solitary.
Fata abasore bawe babiri ubajyane piriye muri solitary dore ngabo.
Yes, Warden.
Ni kontorero yego Walden wa gereza.
Are you still here?
Uracyari hano? You still here? Uracyari hano? Warden. Original Warden wa gereza. Sore rakomeje aratambuka kumbi bije kumuhiga muri solitary. Yaje kumushaka. We habaye icisha.
Bitch! Stand back.
Inde muginga wafunze hano na. Arabekera busasha bose azongera kuri bindi birahure ariko reka manze mbonene. Ari murahiga haduyi. Barabazanya agakarita hano kuzana agakarita. Baje kwitegereza neza. Meje barakomeza baraza.
Which one is he in?
Uracheka ari mu kihe cyumba? Which one is he in? Uracheka ari hano cyangwa arazi muri kamabuzo? Kikomeje bagenza ngaruka hano umusore aracyagaruka. Aracyagaruka yampaka karenze mu byuma dore ngabo.
Shit, no signal.
Shit. No signal, Nachi. No signal.
That good, huh? Pentagon will spend but when it comes to coffee, that's where they're going to ease the taxpayers' burden. Look, we got off on the wrong foot, all right? I'm not usually this big a prick.
Usually.
Right.
Yes.
Look, you impressed me in there, all right? You convinced me.
Thanks.
How well do you know the colonel?
Served together. We haven't spoken in years. Yeah. Do you know Robert?
I heard the stories of his death.
What?
I'm sorry, I figured you would have known.
How did he,
Suicide.
The
colonel would like to see you.
Colonel akeneye kuba yakubona Agent Black. Rari yari umwana wa Colonel disi ngo yapfuye yahuye. Waba muzi Rari? Ngo neye ndamuzi. Yari umwana wa Colonel. Yapfuye yahuye suicide mission yari yahuye. Yagiye kureba kanimero gutya mwibuka bagenzi ko umukobwa agenze kuba yamuha kanimero. Bakicaranye bwa mbere amuha ka business card hari akanimero ke. Giramagaya kanimero.
Natalie Myers.
Natalie Myers.
I'm sorry, could you speak up?
Wavuga cyane?
This is Sergeant Mercy Callow.
Sergeant Mercy Callow.
Look, I'm sorry, but you're breaking up. Could you just repeat yourself?
Wasubiramo? Mercy Callow. Ni Mercy Callow.
Is this a joke?
Ibi ni imikino ra?
You asked me insulting questions about my dead parents and you
Wajyaga umbaza ibibazo byinshi cyane byerekeranye n'urupfu rwa data n'abandi. Ntabwo byari byo ndimo.
Holy shit! You were alive.
Naketse kuri muzima.
I'm about to intercept Martine.
Ni hafi yo kuba nagera na Martine aherereye. Wari hafi yo kuba nagera na Martine aherereye. Martine. Wooden-Rudovsky.
Something's wrong.
Ikibazo kirabaye hari ikibazo. Iki? Bayifashe gato bana bugumyeho ndaje dore ngaho. Something's wrong hari ikibaye. Code Red ikibazo cyavutse. Bohe yacitse dore ngaho bohe yacitse ikibazo cyavutse. Bohe yacitse. No. Ngo ntagarika amashusho yose asa usanga ari byihebe. Tugarutse inyuma gato bagenze mbere ku irambo ijya gucika byagenze bite kigabano cyari kiri kurya kiri no kurya umuziki. Aha kabero tubonye ra musore mukanyarare kwinjira. Aho tugarutse inyuma gato cyane nga filime kora cyajya mbere kuri cyari wireberere. Yaje kugira icyo areba muri iyi sefu. Yaje kugira icyo ahiga. Igihe cyari kigeze. Wooden-Rudovsky. Bambwiye bagenzi ko imbohe yacitse niyihe kurikire nabwo twasubiye inyuma gato cyane. Filime nikikoze twasubiye inyuma gato cyane kugira tugere handi twari tugeze. Dore ngaho. Ngabana yagiraga bagenzi indwara y'igisukari. Bamuteraga imiti ivuye muri firigo.
I never learned to do this.
Ntago nigeze niga gukora ibi ariko ndabikora.
There's something.
Hari icyo buze. Yewe. Dore ubwo buhirisha. Ngo hari icyo buze losing something. Oh, iyo niyo mbohe. Sanze kigaba kitabye Imana iyo niyo mbohe. Ngo hari icyo buze losing something.
Where is that fat son of a bitch?
Ko niko byaje kuba byagendera mbohe yaje kuba yacika. No bari kwihiga. Ko niko bigenze mu kanya gashize cyane. Wooden-Rudovsky mbohe yaracitse.
Something's wrong.
Hari ikibazo kibaye. Something's wrong. Iki? Mbohe wifashe gato.
Stay on the line, okay?
Guma kuri line sibyo? No buri yajyanye ga telefone ngo agire undi muntu ukitaba. Buri arimo arakwipa ibyara.
Prisoners escaped.
Imbohe yacitse. Code Red. Wooden yari ufata iporezo by'amanywa dore ngo abafata ifu. Wooden afata ifu we. Yari gufata iby'amanywa Wooden.
Colonel Harding?
Colonel Harding.
Sergeant Callow on the line.
Uyu ni Sergeant Callow uri kuri line.
I have Sergeant Callow.
The Sergeant Callow kuri line yarimo arahamagara.
Hello, Mercy.
Yego, Mercy Callow.
Mercy, are you there?
Mercy uraharira?
Sir, he's gone.
yagiye ntawe ukiriho. He's gone. Go hit out. No. Boy, iraho. Irana Rwanda we. Boy, hira Rwanda byagatsana abonekera Rwanda na niga. Yewe. Yewe. Dore mbohe n'ikigabo. Birakomeye sha. Cyarariye. Gabo. Wegera umuhanga sha ukomeye. Yewe, Gabo.
Tough enough.
Ndakumira bihagije tough enough.
Hands where I can see them.
Iboko byaho mbireba. Hands where I can see them.
What did he say exactly?
He said he was in solitary attempting to...
Yavuze ngo ari muri solitary yagiye kuba yagiye gufata Martin.
No. He said something was wrong.
Maharavuga ngo hari ikibazo kibaye.
He didn't say what it was.
Nigeze avuga ngo niki cyangwa icyari cyo.
Call definitely came from inside.
Ariko yavuze gusa ko hari ikibazo kibaye.
Why do you think?
Kari mu twari kwa twasanga ari ugaturutse.
Gave him my card before he left, maybe it.
Kubera cyari we yahamagaye sinamuha agakarita kanje mbere uko agenda hari wasanga ari nimero yenyine yarasigaranye.
Yes sir, I do.
Obviously he's trying to finish the mission.
We can't.
Hari waryo wasanga cyane kuba yarangiza mission nako twamureka ngakore wenyine.
He had a disadvantage. You know my name.
Sina ryanjye.
Who exactly are you?
Wowe urinde.
Okay.
Byiza.
Reaction, I would say you're American.
Byiza reka mvuga ko uri umunyamerika kuko ntabwo urinde umuntu utari umunyamerika.
None of the above.
Sibyo.
On the ground by the guard. Take them and lock your wrists.
Fatari amapingo ari hasi wifunga.
For me.
Yewe.
To keep you from getting me. What happened out in the world?
Take.
Jenny funga amapingo sha.
And what if I don't?
Ndamutse nayihambiriye se byagenda bita. No.
Wow, you shoot the floor. That's
urashe hasi nagari je urashe. Byo nago binkanga.
Here's what I think is going to happen.
Dore cyo ndimo nategereza ko giye kuba cyaba.
Alarm, so right now there's more guards coming as we speak.
Hari abasirikare benshi bagiye kuba bazana kutureba cyangwa abandi barinzi.
If they want to be dead, they would have already killed.
Niba bashaka mujye kuri je kumbona ndi umupfu ne baraza kwica. Aranje kura mu biga mu mifuko.
Say, you screwed buddy.
Reka turebe icyo bukore rero. Reka turebe icyo bukore. Fata inzira arangije acaho n'ubwo nagomba kumugendaho kumbe. Babanje kunampfurana kumva gasore karana ko bagenze karatikura. Yewe. Hey. Karatikura. Yewe. Rene kiramugabo yakozwe umugeri. Rwara muzunga rwaye sereri. Jumuna gutikura ubundi kumva iserera guteye. Oya. Yewe.
That was a really pretty kicking.
Sha buri nkubise neza kazi.
Very nice. You like that?
Urabikunze?
You might like this.
Niba ngongera ubikunde. Era niba babikunze niba ubikunde. Bakiri ibintu cyane abandi bari.
Don't go nowhere.
Tagira hoja, don't go anywhere.
I told you they would come. Shut your mouth.
Bari nakubwira uko bari buze funga ikinwa. Nakubwira ko bari buze funga ikinwa funga.
This is bullshit!
Yose ni imyanda sha. Odin. Tudoviski.
Why'd you do some more kicking?
Bari kinacyo ni murakora ariko.
That'll work.
Ajya nago bibukoresha dore nga. M18 smoke white dore nga bu numwotsi wakataraboneka. Bwoko bwa M18. Era uhereje. Cyambere abarakizanye. Kindi kiba kiraje.
Assad.
Janikira.
Rahim.
Janich. Jasab. Kigabugwa bwaragitaje Lex.
That's out of here.
You think I'm going to help you get out of your yard?
Nebucheka ko nibuze kuba nagufasha kuvanura umusazi.
Killed. How many more do you want to see me?
Urakeye kubonesha abantu banga ukeneye ko nuko nakwica abandi bangana iki? Nutandika ngo ngende ndabica mbamare.
There is a passage.
Hari inzira. There is a passage. Twagarutse hano hakuno. Ngo hari inzira.
Put on speaker.
Warinde mushireho. Niwe.
Sergeant Callow?
Sergeant Callow.
Natalie Myers, can you hear us?
We Natalie.
Yes, it's me.
Nigiye wanyine nanjye.
Kyle, you okay?
Umeze neza na?
I'm fine. I
Is it
took
is?
a way out that should have minimal resistance.
Sergeant Callow.
Sergeant Callow.
Do you have the package?
Ufite umuzigo?
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubaho.
He assured me he will not go willingly.
Ariko arimo aranyereka ko atari buze kubasha kuba yaza ku bushake.
I have to go up 8 flights carrying a 200-pound man.
Kandi ntago nagenda mu rugendo rurerure metsi ikintu gifite ibiro hafi nka 200.
Hang on the line, Sergeant.
Uretse gato wa mwana bugumyeho gato ndaje.
Believe that we're his only chance for survival.
Well, how's he going to do that?
Natalie, this is a terrorist, a good one. And he
Iki ni
wants to
ikiebe kandi ikiebe kinini gikomeye.
get immunity deal.
Nta mpamvu yatuma tugira immunity niba ari byo muratekereza Natalie. Nta mpamvu yatuma tugira ubudahangarwa.
Sergeant Callow does
Sergeant
not
Callow.
know where he is.
He knows he's...
Martina Zahanari.
No, does he know he's in Chechnya?
Yaba azi neza ko afungiye muri Chechnya.
Folks speaking Russian.
Simbizi yumvise abantu bavuga ikirasha ryo.
Probably thinks he's...
Hari igihe wasanga arakeka ko ari muri Russia mu Burusiya.
He helped them during the war. He's probably just waiting to talk to somebody in charge.
Hari igihe wasanga ategereje kuba yavuga n'uri mu buyobozi ataramenya neza ko ari muri Chechnya.
He knows it's only a matter of time before he's killed.
Okay.
Is the extraction plan still in place?
Yes.
Look, you have
Gahunda twari twabona ziracyari zo nyizo yego.
55 minutes. I know it's cutting it close.
Iminota yo kujya ku 55 turaza kuba dusohotse.
I swiped a cell phone. Once I can get some reception, I'll text you the number I have.
Hari agatelefone abashe kuba nafata nimara kuba nagera ahantu hari ka network naza kuba nabohereza nimero mfite. Menye neza kuri kubwayo wa mwana we. Yego.
Mercy.
Myers.
Yes?
Thanks for answering the phone.
Wakoze kwitaba ka nimero. Yego nta kibazo. Natalie Myers.
Hey.
Yaba.
If the warden find out I help you,
Warden namutse asanze nagufashije.
not only kill me,
Ntago yanyica gusa.
kills my entire family.
Arica umuryango wanjye wose. Yeah.
I understand.
Byo ndabisobanukiwe. Yawa. Dore ngaho. Gitwe kimbunda n'icyo muvutuye. Ibyo arabisobanukiwe arangije atatwara imfunguzo ndetse n'amakarita y'akazi. No. Ude naramutse amenye ko nagufashe ntago yanyica gusa bwo yakwica umuryango wanjye wose. Afite minoko aracyageyo.
You know, you kick me, I punch you.
Urabizi?
First name at least.
Wankubise ndagukubita ariko nari nkene kumbwira n'izina rimwe gusa.
What is this?
Ibi ni ibiki?
When you were brought in, were you blindfolded?
Uzanwa wari impumyi cyangwa wazanwe bagufunze ntuza mu maso?
You tell me.
Mbwira.
Check the IDs again.
Wongera ibi byangombwa urambwira neza uburyo wazanywe hano.
You're in Chechnya.
Uri muri Chechnya nshuti yanjye.
As though this prison ain't enough.
Uri muri gereza kandi uri munsi y'ubutaka.
We have 40 minutes to get you out of here.
Dufite iminota 40 gusa kubusohotse cyane ariko uramutse ukurikiye gahunda nkubwira.
It's your choice.
No guhitamo kwawe. Niba uhitamo neza icyo gihe turasohoka nuhitamo nabi ibyo birakureba. It's your choice.
Come out, wherever you are.
Muze aho muri hose, come out wherever you are. Ngaho muri hose muze.
Kyle, it's him.
Adore ngo yarohereje Kayiro ngwino.
Through the cell block now.
Agent Black amaze kuba yasohoka amaze kuba yabona kanimero dore ngaho.
May I?
Yego.
Sure. What are you doing?
Urimo rakora iki?
Input the cell and track it through the phone's GPS.
Ngiye kuba nakurikiza ngende mu tracking nkurikije GPS ya telefoni.
Spy stuff.
I can read his text, check his email.
nazajya nsoma buri kintu cyose email ze ibyo yanditse ibyo yahoreje umuntu ibyo nibyo yavuganye n'umuntu. Dore ngabo.
I can't get service at my apartment 5 floors below ground in Chechnya. No problem.
You know, I'm not a terrorist.
You keep telling
urabizi neza ko ntarekiye bari gukomeza ubyibwira ari kuri ikihe.
The good guys, don't you?
Urakeka abanyamerika mwega muri abantu beza.
Oh yeah, what about the Native Americans? Or hey, what about the African slaves? Or what about
abanyafrika bagirwa abacakara n'abanyamerika ukeka ko abanyamerika muri beza.
They will call you an angel.
Ntimuzigira abamarayika abanyamerika namwe muri babi. Bageze hano harafunze.
You have absolutely no idea what we're going to do.
Bigaragara ko utazi naho turi kujya sibyo.
It doesn't look like it.
Bigaragara ko utahazi rwose. Doesn't look like it.
Why do you think terrorism exists?
Uri murakeka kubundi ubwihebe baho kubera iki?
Sleeping in caves and living in fear?
Abantu bamwe bakaba mu bwoba abandi bakaba mu buvumo.
Of course they do.
Abantu bafite ubwoba yego nyine.
No defense front. They live in fear too?
Yeah, naturally so.
Abantu bashinzwe umutekano ku isi n'aba mu bwoba. Yego ndakeka ba mu bwoba.
Children. You send them into restaurants.
Kwica abana mu kohereza ibiturika mu maresitora mubitega mu madege mubitega mu mamodoka mubitega ahantu hose mu masoko. Urakeka ibyo byari byiki mubikora kugira abantu bagira ubwoba cyangwa wowe abantu nkawe amateka yawe nahazi tugende yahazi bari ku mapinga mwe agafino karacyageye kumbe cyane ari gukimina amazi kibyuka.
You know why you're here now, talk to me. Why are you the only guard he left alive?
Kubera cyane we murinzi wenyine azuri muzima. Why you the only guard he left alive? Kubera cyane murinzi wenyine azuri muzima sha. Nabwo karacyageye kuri kimwe birira.
I don't know what their plans were.
Nago nzi gahunda zabo nizi. Gahunda zabo.
A team now, are they?
No bamaze kuba ikipe.
They'd be looking for an exit with the least amount of resistance.
Wasanga bari guhiga inzira basohora ariko barabeshyira ubusa.
There it is.
Dore ngaba aho bari.
On level 7.
Bari kuri level ya 7 ndabizi no hantu bari busohokere. Baragira ngo bacikagereza we. Ushaka gucikagereza.
They'd have been home free. Except I had the guards seal all the exits. I think I forgot to mention it to you. Lev?
Hari ikintu kimwe cyeka ariko nibagiye kuba nakubwira narakibagiye. Nakubwiye ibintu byose ariko inzira isohoka sinigeze nyikubwira buri. Buryo zinziranye cyane ariko izindi ntuzizi.
Don't you guys carry C4 or something to blow shit up?
Kereka niba utwaye ibintu nka C4.
I could blow up the door, but he's gonna.
Kino cyo cyose nagishwanyaguza ariko ikibazo. Ibintu by'icano byakwangirika.
Hello fellas.
Bite bashuti. Hello fellas. Bite ba mushuti.
We gotta go.
Dufite kugenda you got to go.
About that exit.
I have detailed information, satellites.
Bigaragara ko bafite amakuru yose ya satellite ntago ari kibaha amakuru.
Story.
Na amateka sha. Se bafite amakuru bakajya kubaza.
On the main
Iyo bagira amakuru ntago bari kuyoba. Barabeshira ubusanda babona tu.
What's the matter?
Card's not working.
What do you mean?
Iyi karita nagire ukora sobanura iki ngo nikoreshiremo neza.
Swipe is not working.
Push the number.
Ndimo ndashiramo neza ukande n'ibinimiro ubwo suwe baho kandi n'amanimero. Unakande n'amanimero.
It's arriving within the hour. I fail to see how sending in what few guards we have left will do. With twice as many, we could not stop them.
Turi bake ntago twabahagarika.
Who said anything about sending in?
Ndavuze ngo agiye kohereza abarinzi. Yeah?
Sit your ass down there.
Kirakwicara kabari hasi wa muginga kandi utandakaza. Ndeka. Ngo yararakaye Wooden.
Attention all Inferno staff.
Bantu bose muri kurinda muri Inferno.
Level 1 immediately.
Ndagira ngo mujye kuri level 1 kandi mwihuse cyane level 1 immediately.
Attention all prisoners.
Iboye mwese kandi namwe mwumve.
We have 2 strong.
Wooden Rudowski. Dufite abantu babiri batwinjiriye.
Dead or alive.
Abagabo ndabashaka ari bazima cyangwa ari abapfu. Wari wese uri bikora indaza kuba namuha kubabarirwa guhoraho.
Unlock all the cells.
All of them.
Every single one.
Zose zari ziye kuba zarekurwa ngo zijye guhiga abantu zirangiza zibabarirwe dore nga zibabarirwe zose zirarekuwe zijye guhiga abantu babiri ngo babinjirizi hari intruders ebyiri zirangiza zibabarirwe kumbe nyuma y'izo zose iyo zimaze kugenda hari indi fungurwa nyuma fungurwa yitonze buhoro buhoro imeze nk'iryamenye dore abandi Wone dore uko agenda buhoro yitonze buhoro.
Rudowski, you've gone insane.
Rudowski wasaze.
I'll be able to get control of the prison.
Abantu naguzongera kubabasha kuba control.
But that's no concern of yours.
Ariko we ntacyo bikureba.
Guards?
So what is the meaning of this?
Get this shit out!
Sore kino gice cy'umwana.
Get him out of here!
Kuri hano sha.
What are you doing? Rudowski!
Rudowski ubwo uri mu biki? Rudowski.
Look, not to insult your kung fu or anything, but I think one of those AK.
Amwana nagari kuvuga ngo nibyo ngumi byakongufu cyangwa ibindi. Ariko burya amaboko abiri burya bafite imbaraga kuruta akaboko kamwe.
A single bullet.
Look, we got 30 minutes to get out.
Dafite iminota 30 kumwe bakiri muri byo. Hari charge. Kirabayora. Oh. Ni kinini sha. Gutera igipfunsi biranga dore ngaho. Jeno ni dore igipfunsi. Ajya. Barangije baraza baranika.
You gotta be kidding me! Do something!
Gira icyo ukora yawe. Do something. Ngo nagira icyo akora.
You ever wish you would have gone to dental school?
Yagize icyo akora ikintu kinini sha.
Look, if you want to survive this,
Niba ukeneye kubaho rero.
you got to start trusting me.
Ugomba gutangira kunyizera. Icyo uraba ukeneye kubaho niba utabikeneye ureke kunyizera.
Well, we each our own devil and we make this world our hell.
Ni nko kumvikana n'ikibi. Teka ryose duhorana n'ibibi kandi bibi ni twebwe ubwacu. Ibyo ni ibyawe ntabwo ari byabivuze Napoleon. Ngabo byavuzwe na Napoleon.
We got 4 bullets left. We got 30.
Usigaranye amasasu agera kuri 4 dufite iminota 30 gusa kuri tuzahura indege igomba kuba yatujyana hanze.
You ready?
Uriteguye cyangwa?
Yeah, I feel pumped.
Ndumva meze bo. Tugende tuvuture abantu, bagiye kuvutura abantu.
Let me go!
Mundeka ngende. Ngure ibiganza byanyu. Yewe. Twa Alexi.
Open the gate!
Fungura chamu, fungure hano. Dore nguriya. Chawe. Dore nguriya. Yo. There is. Dore nguriya we. Baje kumuhiga umusore. Bari bamubonye dore ngaba gafilme karacyagiye. Tugarutse hakuno ahangaha mu gisirikare.
Into their line of sight.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's going on?
Nibiki byambere ariko?
Going in to get them.
Tujye kwa twajya kuzana umusore. Bajya kujya kumuzana.
They're radio silent right now, right?
Ngo nibiki byambere ariko? We're going to get him. Bagiye kumuzana Colonel araho ngaho.
Come in.
Injira sha.
Colonel, I'm so sorry to disturb you.
Colonel mbabarire kuba nkubangamiye.
How can I help you?
Nigute nagufasha?
We're going to pick up Mercy and Martine.
Bagiye ko bajya kuzana Marcy ndetse na Martine.
Had only a few moments ago. Still
Ya kanya gato nta kibazo byo ntago ari ikibazo.
How does that usually work?
Biragenda bite subundi?
Decides on the location. Who gives the order?
Ninde watanze itegeko?
Why are you asking?
Kubera icyo bibaza.
Sir, I strongly believe that there's an informer among us.
Extraction plan could also wind up in enemy hands.
Lay that to the extraction team and Sergeant Callow. Only after they've departed. I will also be ordering all mobile devices confiscated 10 minutes prior to departure time.
Ikintu cyabashe kuba cyabaho mbere yuko mara kuba bagenda amakuru yabashe kuba yagenda sizaho yaturutse ko amakuru yarimo hano muri twebwe gusa ubwo ikindi kintu kizagiye ariko banze bagende babazane mara kubazana turamenye ibindi kikobwa kiraho kiramwitegereje kandi wihangane kuba numvise ibintu byabashe kuba byaba ku muhungu wawe ntago nigeze mbimenya.
If you please. The interrogation.
Ndagusabye waba ugiye mu kanya turakuvugana. Yego ngaramusabye abagiye agapirime no karacyajyayo mukubwa aratambutse aragenda hakuna baracyaza binagari byo subire pfo nanone binabyo ntagari byiza si byiza
Save the bullets.
Amasasu tuyakize uri tayari nago ndi tayari ariko reka tugerageze.
Here we go.
Boss hano itajya kwirebera ka komba kandi we areba live hepfo yarangije kare komanda aracyahangane nabo tu yari yarangije kubabara yaje no guca hejuru nta mpamvu yo gusiga atagihabuye.
What's going on?
You done? Sorry komanda warangije di?
I'm done.
Yego narangije. Yewe uyu ni umungariste shaho. Yewe dore abandi ya masasu wayakoresha noneho dore ngabo you can use those bullets now dore ngabo
That club won't hold for long.
ntago biri buze kumara umwanya ariko reka tugende.
Okay, awesome.
Ni sawa. Hakuna baracyacunga.
Team leader, you are go for launch.
Team leader over. Mujye kuzana umuntu.
Power control lever's going to fly.
Mujye kuzana umuntu over dore ngabara bagiye kuzana umuntu agapima no karacyajyayo. Bagiye kuzana umuntu.
Almost out of here.
Turafi yo kujya inzira nizo nzizi kumbe inzira ngizo ari biri guturuka.
All right.
Yewe.
Fellas, Tony.
Bantu Tony ndabazi.
All right.
Byiza.
We don't need to do this, do we?
Na mambo yatuma dukora ibi sibyo?
Okay.
Sibyo? Hari ikindi cyaje. Mwegereyo.
We were given an option.
Twahawe guhitamo.
Dead.
Kubatwara muri bazima?
Or alive.
Cyangwa muri abapfu.
Choose.
Muratoranya kimwe.
Anyone ever chosen dead?
Hari ugeze atoranya kuba yaba umupfura?
King of the inmates.
Dore umwami imbuhisha. Muretse gato.
Are you afraid of me?
Urantinye cyangwa?
What?
Uvuze ngo iki?
Get me up there?
Nakubajije ngo aho hejuru ntabwo uri kunyumva urantinye cyangwa?
When I was boy,
kera nyiri umwana muto.
broke into my home.
Hari ibirara byaje gutera iwacu.
My father.
Byishe data.
My mother and sisters.
Bafata mama wanjye n'abashiki banjye kumbaraga.
All for dead.
Ibabo baranabica.
I was the only survivor.
Nigeye nyine abashe kuba nabaho.
They say gang will most likely come back to kill me.
Nagiye muri polisi aho nanzi bakavuga ko abo bazagaruka kunyica.
Was then.
Narefite imyaka 10.
Wasn't scared then.
Sinigeze mbatinya.
I'm not scared now.
Nago ngutinye none.
That was a very touching speech.
biroroshye wavuze neza ariko tubabarire mvugane no
You and me.
we nanjye
You keep the others back.
abantu bashira inyuma
You win, you get me dead.
nuramuka utsinze unyice
And him alive.
uriya muri kare muzima
As you wish.
nkuko byifuza nibyo ngukorera niramuka ngutsinze ubwira abandi basubira inyuma uretse gato dore umugabo
Look, I think you got hit in the head a lot.
Keep an eye on the other one.
cungana na kiriya kintu kitagira ahantu kijya keep an eye on the other one.
Anything happens to me, you get it.
niramuka hageze ikiba wikize dore umugabo shaka
Trust.
nihagira ikiba wikize hasima amasasani nta peni abagenzi umusore
From the Chechnyan army should arrive at Inferno in approximately 30 minutes.
bigaragara ko indege twohereje iraza kubagira muri Chechnya minota 30 nyakubo nibuka neza ko bari muri Turkey yewe ngiye kureba umukino uryoshye kiriya kintu kiramwica kirakica kariya dore nga udeni yewe dore umugeri cyatangiye kurya we binikira yo
Finish
it. Ni bibi murangiza sha. Ni bibi. Rangiza umuntu. Yewe. Dare igipfunsi. No. Yewe. Nikira. Kanu karamvushije. Karamuteruye. Gaterura ibiro 200 karabiterura karakomeye cyane karakomeye yawe ukuboko karavunnye kamaze kuvuna ukuboko ibinanga aribyo n'ijosi karari gutura ibinekira abantu bose baracecetse ibinanga aribyo josi karari gutuye murajye mva ku bantu rero.
Are you kidding me?
Urimo muranyinisha uriya muginga yakwicuriye yaguteze. Yewe.
All right.
Yeza.
How about instead of one pardon?
Kugira ngo mbagire mbababarire gato. Umwe muri mwe bwahabwa imbabazi.
What are you talking about?
I got the key.
Yafite urufunguzo rusohoka ku buryo buri mwe wese ashyira kwizana. Turajyana cyangwa ntago tujyana agapime karacyagiye. Turajyana cyangwa ntago tujyana. Hafite urufunguzo. Barajyana cyangwa ntibajyana. Colonel yaraje. Yaje kureba umukobwa.
Robert was sick.
Mwana wanjye Robert.
After returning from Afghanistan,
yararwaye nyuma ko tuva muri Afghanistan.
Headaches, nausea, but mostly nightmares.
Yari afite indwara nyinshi akarusha no kuba yagira inzozi. Kandi inzozi zitabaga ari nziza zahoraga iteka zimwereka neza ko akiri ku rugamba. Umunsi umwe rero
but it didn't.
Waje kugera.
I brought him in for tests.
Ndagije ndagenda namuzana mwisuzumira kugira bamugerageze ndebe indwara arwaye.
Then all he needed was some rest.
Icyo yarakeneye ko ari ukuruhuka.
I believed him.
Mwana wanjye naramwizeye. Nizera ko akeneye kuruhuka koko.
Act out, lose his temper. I told him.
Yatangiye kugenda mbona ko arimo aragenda agira byinshi abura mu buzima bwe.
Grow up.
Ndamwegera ndambwira mwana wanjye waretse inzozi ugakura.
It's 2 weeks before we found his body.
Nyuma y'ibyumweru 2 nibwo twaje kuba twabona umurambo we. Nyuma y'amagambo twaganiriye. Naje gusanga ari yahuye. Ibyo nibyo byabaye. Niyo mpamvu ntacyo nabikubwiye wa mukobwa yanatari. Kandi so twari inshuti pe. Ariko umwana wanjye apfa byarambabaje.
Convince you.
Ubwo se nari kubikubwira n'ubundi. Natali disi yarababaye. Byaragiye biramwanga. Agafilm nawe karacyagiyeyo kurikira wi. Umaritini warakenewe. Ujye no musirikare.
All right, the extraction point is approximately 1 mile north.
Amerekezo bari buze gutserura ndakeye kudutoreho ndakeka rero muri
10 minutes.
Kilometero nk'imwe. Minota ngicumira. Bakivuga bari kisasu baririnje binikira. No akaguru. Sasu ry'akaguru. Ari hakurya yo. naba mukiramo irindi rya kandi kaguru. Dore ngicyo. Abantu baragicitse cyose ni cyawude ni cyagereza. Sorera. Kurikira urebe. Yewe. Kurikira. Yewe. Ha. Haguruka wa mukinga dore umutwe. Dore cyo bitumutwe.
Your friend just took off. Let me tell you something.
Kagere cyo nkubwira.
These terrorists,
Bibyebe.
they're not as loyal as they used to be.
Nago bikiri bihereza byiza nkuko byahoze. Ushatse kuncika ariko byose ndabyica bimare. Kiri muri byo dore isasu ry'igatuza. Ajya. Garabyica bimare. Wa musore Martin Rudolph. Wa musore Rudolph Martin.
Air Flight 19.
Imbunda ni nziza kabisa yitwa F1 19.
You also mentioned the United National Defense Front. Bombs on planes. It's the only airline to be hit by that group.
Iyi mbunda ni nziza cyane kuba yikoresha ku muntu nkaho ushinzwe uri mu mutekano w'abantu w'isi dore ngaho umutekano w'isi nuvuga umutekano w'isi. United Nation Defense.
Who did you lose?
Wabuze ndi mu gihe intambara yabaga. Wabuze ababyeyi banjye.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Wihangane kuba warabuze abantu bawe.
I think you should hold on to this.
Ndakeka ariko niyo ukeneye da. Nge ntago nyikeneye.
Let's go.
Tugende rero. Let's go. Let's go. Charudolfo cyari kimaze kwitaba Imana kumbuye. Ikintu cyitwa imbunda cyo nageze. Imbunda yazabusha.
.50.
Yeah. Iyi ni hatari kabisa. Cyitwa imbunda cyo ntagajya gisiga.
Revolver actual revolver 16 is 10 minutes out from
Revolver actual revolver 16 minutes ya kugera ku 10 kumba ko bagakomeje kuzana abasirikare b'igihugu. Bari guhiga ibintu byose byaturutse muri gereza. Kandi sasu chini ya ulinzi.
I thought you said we had time.
We did.
Oh, so they're just early.
Ndakeka ari twavuganye iminota.
Supposed to be.
Twayikoze ariko baje kare. Baje kare.
Are you texting?
Uri murereza message?
We need to find another route.
Nyene kuba nahiga indi nzira. Yari yohereje message. Hereje ka message ku gikobwa. Colonel.
Let's go.
Katugende. Let's go. Babonye bari guhinga batari hano kumva icyo batazi ntago bagiye kure. Bagenda mbari hapa. Kumbe yagize atya. Hari icyo yabonye dore isasu. Zimwe muri zambo y'umusore akubiswe isasu bagenzi ry'imigongo. Kubiswe isasu ry'imigongo. Isasu ry'imigongo. Tangira kuraba tumureba. Agafilime karacyageyo. Muri iyo minota umusore bagenzi bakomeje kwirukankana ariko indege nayo turumva hakurya irimo irasatira indege ko turi kuyumva n'amasasu niko arimo aragenda acamo yanze kuba yarekura bagenzi Martin Rudolph indege baje gufasha no
Get us out of here!
udukure hano cha get us out of here
How far out?
Ikigaragara isasu ryinjiyemo ariko ntigigeze risohoka.
You're gonna be fine, Rudolph.
Uraza kumererwa neza Rudolph Martin. You're gonna be okay.
What?
Iki?
Not Martin.
Ntago ndi Martin. Mugabo ntago ari Martin uwo bamaze umwanya bagenzi bari guhiga ari umwanya batakanye bari kumuhiga. Ntago ari Martin. Izina rye ni irihe rero? Niba atari Martin izina ni irihe?
We're still in the process of gathering all pertinent information. At this time of the
Nyakubahwa Perezida turacyari guhiga amakuru tumenye neza uko byagenze.
Martin.
Ariko uyu mugabo tufite twaje gusanga atari we Rudolph Martin. Ahubwo his body double ni babandi yigira nkabo. Bicurwa kugira ngo babewe. Bakishyurirwa kwiyita izina ugasanga umuntu baramwishyuye izina kwiyita PK Production. Ngabo.
Did you lose something?
Hari icyo ubuze yego.
Thank you. Come in.
Igira hino. Come in.
Go Brecht. 1836. It's worth $50,000.
Kana ko mu 1986.
Collected as a kid.
Yemewe nako 836.
No.
Karimo amadolari makeya.
This was his coin.
Igiceri cyari cya data ntago ari icyanjye.
Oh. How you feeling?
Urumva meze ute rero?
To be honest,
mu by'ukuri
I'll be okay.
ndaza kumererwa neza.
How's I don't know what you're calling him.
Sinzi uburyo mwabyita.
Oh, we're calling him the Martin double.
Tumwita Martin double. Martin wa kabiri.
It's actually
Yeah.
he's in critical condition.
Ntago ameze neza ariko.
What does it matter anyway?
Mercy, it matters a great deal.
Mercy.
Listen to me, okay?
Nagira ngo unyumve neza sibyo?
Be a very high value asset. If he survives, I mean, you said yourself.
Uriya mugabo aramutse anakize.
He could know his location.
Ndakeka yabaza amerekezo ya Martin, yabaza imirimo ya Martin, hari byinshi yabaze kuri Martin, hari byinshi yadufasha kuri Martin.
Until we talk to him, but this could be a very good thing.
Byaba ari byiza. This could be a very good thing.
Take up too much of your time, but I just I wanted to say I'm sorry. I was wrong about you.
Nagira ngo nambabarire burya nari narakwibesheho. Numvaga hari ko ibintu wakoze utari kuzabikora.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Nanjye ntabwo nari kubikora buryo tuba turi kumwe rero. Urumva natari ko ntabwo hamagara nari kubaho gutese ndi muntu ari kunyitaba.
Feel better.
Mererwa neza rero, feel better.
Mercy, what exactly happened at the...
Basi ubundi byagenze bite? Yatangiye kubaza uko byagenze umukobwa bagenzi ari mu iperereza ryo ku giti cye. Yagarutse hakuno ajya kureba koroneri. Harangije arimo arareba abantu bose. Agent Black ari Mr. Cairo. Arimo arapagira utwaragira ngo agende.
Yeah, I was gonna stop by the infirmary on my way out.
Nari nyene kuba nagenda.
You're leaving.
Urimo uragenda ariko.
Call back to Washington, but I got a couple.
Nahamagaye muri Washington ngiye kuba nasubireyo.
I don't really know how to begin.
Nanjye nubwo nzi uburyo natangira.
I was watching footage of the team. It was fairly obvious to me that we had been set up.
Nakomeje kuba nagenda ndeba ibintu byinshi cyane ariko naje kuba nasanga twaragambaniye n'umuntu urimo hano. Ariko ntaramenya ngo ninde.
You have this on tape.
Urafite kuri cassette.
So cut and dry.
Oya ntago mbifite ariko.
I went to Colonel Harding with what I...
Nagiye kwa Colonel Harding nibyo nari mfite byose yanga kubyemera.
And he didn't believe me.
Ntago ageze nyizera. Cyo nacyo cyambabaje kuba nagiyeyo nta nyizere.
He was alive and we were planning the extraction. I went to him again.
Nongeye nsubiraho nanone bwa kabiri nyimara kumenya kuri ya musore ari muzima.
And then the extraction...
Ariko nabwo yanga kunyizera.
Colonel Harding assured me that he was the only exact details and that he alone would...
Yakomeje kuba yambwira ko byinshi bari wowe wenyine ubizi sinzi ubwo buryo uko bimeze.
He said that the Chechens arrived at the extraction site at the exact time.
Kandi byavuze abanyakiceni bahageze bahagerera igihe kimwe n'indege yacu twohereje.
These are photos of the troops moving...
Ana amafoto by'ukuri ya movement y'abasuri bacu kuri bari bameze hakurya.
For Inferno. And then
aho bari baherereye hari.
The reason they changed course. They went straight...
Hari n'impamvu yatumye abantu bajya hari hakata hagira guhinduka none kwa kw'inzugi urakeka ari nde?
I know that it sounds crazy.
Tumemeze nk'ari ubusazi kubera ko iyo operation yonyine.
I've known this man my whole life.
Ujye mugaba muzi ubuzima bwanjye bwose, Koloneli. Gamuzi ubuzima bwe bwose. Komeje gutekereza byinshi.
I think he blames the military for misdiagnosing his son.
Ndakeka ari by'ukuri arimo aragaya abasirikare kubera ko yabashe kuba yabura umwana we.
I know how it sounds.
Nzi uburyo nabivuga ariko nabuze uko nabyakira.
It's just he was the only one who knew the exact.
Bigaragara ko ari wenyine wari uzi by'ukuri byinshi. Uyarebye atya.
I'm going to input the cell and track.
Ngiye kuba natangira kureba.
How do you do that?
Ubikora ute?
Really? CIA spy stuff.
Ibingibi ni bya CIA abantu baba baneka ngo tugenda nasoma email ze nkasoma buri kimwe cyose bagenzi umukobwa amaze kumva neza ko Natali undi muntu wa kabiri waba hari icyazi ari uyu mugabo bari kumwe. Kubera ko ariwe wenyine ushobora gusoma ama message cyangwa amanimero y'abandi bantu yafashe bagenzi umukobwa. Jotsa ararivuna kumbe mugabo ni Rudolph Martin cyangwa Kaprembe karacyagiye kuri kirebe.
Sergeant.
Yaje hano hakuno nyura kuri Sergeant arakomeza aragenda. Arangije arahindukira. Hanyuze kuri Sergeant. Maze guhindukira atyo. Amaze guhindukira atyo umugabo agenzera akomeje arinjira kumbuko yinjiye muri rya vuriro rimwe mugabo Martin. Koza amakosa?
You shouldn't have gone and got yourself killed.
Ntabwo ari kureka abantu ngo bagufate byoroshye. Uyu nawe yaraje hano hakuno. Haje kuri mugenzi we. Namurebara? Nta kibazo genda umurebe.
Hey.
Yewe.
What's going on?
Genda kibijya mbere sha. No. Tasunika mu bagenzi umuti wose kumara kusunikamo. Bitene imboni rose iranse we. No. Ngo ne kihibe bakuranye imyaka yose no kihibe.
It's not what you think, Sergeant.
Binaga ari by'ukeka Sergeant.
Your clearance only goes so high. I'm just following orders.
Yene ndakurikira amabwirizo yanjye. I'm just following orders. Kumbuye nawe yabanye bamuteyemo amaraso ahita yakura. Abantu burya bose bazi ubwenge kamaraso yagakuyemo nashaka avira napfa ariko aho kugira ngo yicwe n'imiti amazi bari bamuvanye mu maraso yese mu kuyakuramo. Yatamagara abagenzi umufasha.
For you or for the team.
Hari cyo nigeze nshaka kureba cyangwa ku ikipe kumbe kigabo kirakomeye.
Drop the gun, Agent
Black. Alright, has chin Agent Black. Chin. No, Agent Black. Zero. Bitaja mwana wa. Byacu bidatinze. Byacu bidatinze. Gira hino ja.
You look like shit.
Urasa nk'umwanda. Yarabwiye ngo arasa nk'umwanda.
He works for Martin's network.
Uriya mugabo ntago ari ubwa mbere mubonye yakoze muri network yitwa Martin's network.
I know how to get to Martin.
Genza uburyo twagera kuri Martin. Niyo mpamvu yaragiye kuba yanyica kubera ko uburyo twagera kuri Martin original wampaye akazi. Uyu mugabo akimara kuba yambwira abagenzi ukaza uburyo yagera kuri Martin ibyange bikunde kugera kuri Martin ibyo burya makuru uvuga ngo runaka mbona uburyo tumufata turamufata biba byoroshye cyane. Iryo zina rya mwana rirakubereye kandi riragukwiriye. To suit you quite well. haga filime nako giko ndimo ndakareba burya nk'umuntu umuhanga cyane uzi kuzireba.
That's it? Is there anything I need to avoid?
Hari cyo nyeneye kureka? Ureke kuraswa, ureke kwishyira mu byago. Ngo hari cyo nyeneye kureka. Ngo ureke kuraswa ndetse no kwishyira mu byago. Sergeant Carlo.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubaho. Characha.
Have you given any thought to what's next?
Wigeze utekereza igikurikira? Oya.
I've been given a choice of assignments in the
Ntago nigeze mbasha kuba ntabwo ayo mahirwe.
And what if that changed?
Biramutse bihindutse se.
To put together a new team and I'd like you.
Ye kuba nakira hafi agakipe kamwe.
Doing what, sir?
Ko gukora ikinyakubaho.
What you're good at.
Ibyo uri umuhanga muri mo ibyo menyereye.
Everyone, mercy.
Nabuze abantu bose bamwana ariko nago nabuze bose kubera ko mfite ikizere kabandi basigaye ari cyo bakora. Abantu bamwe babuze ubuzima bwabo bwiza kubera ko bari gukora ibyiza ndakeka narama ari umwanya mwiza w'amahirwe kuba ari byiza wakora.
Well, there's something worse than losing my life.
Nyakubahwa hari ikintu gikomeye cyane kuruta kuba nabura ubuzima.
Could have helped.
Aho kugira numve ko najya no kwicara kandi icyo nshoboye aba iyo kipe ndajya kuyifasha.
Then what are we waiting for?
None dutegereje ko tujye gukora akazi dore ngabo then what we waiting for. Aga filime nako nuko kabasho kuba kagenda ndababwiye ngo ndabakunda cyane cyane. Hanyuma Be Blessed uyu Pick Production alongside ye kuzazo Joe 4 ne mukinnyi yimena Joe 4.